Today we're going to work on stability. So we're going to do what's called a dead bug, and we're going to use the wall while we do the dead bug. So this is going to teach us to keep the spine and the hips neutral, and it's going to teach us to really recruit those deep core muscles, which are so important to prevent that lower back pain. I know a lot of people feel it in their lower back when they're doing core exercises. So this is an exercise that kind of helps train your body to turn the core on and turn the core off appropriately so that you kind of alleviate some of that lower back pain. So let's go to the wall, and then after we do 10 on the wall, we're going to flip over and we're going to do 1 minute of strength planks, just like we did yesterday. So those 10 to 12 second holds with maximum contraction. So let's get to the wall. You're going to get real close to the wall. If you happen to have a mini band at home, you can grab one, but this is an awesome exercise without the mini band. So if you don't have one, no big deal. Okay, so get up to the wall, get super, super close to the wall. Then we're gonna make a 90-degree angle from our knees to our hips and our hips up to our shoulders. So we got the two 90-degree angles. So here's what you're gonna do, is if you push on this wall without bracing your core, you're gonna feel your lower back lift up off the ground. We do not want that to happen. That's where people get that lower back pain, because they're not properly bracing their core. So this is going to show us when we're bracing your core and when we're not. So you're going to, with as much power as you can, you're going to press on this wall and you're going to extend the opposite leg. So my right hand is pushing into the wall as hard as I can. I'm pushing that lower back into the floor. I'm shaking, I'm pushing so hard. I'm extending the leg with strength. You come back up to center, push into the wall, and sometimes it helps to put your hand on your stomach so you can really feel those abs working. And you come back up. So if you have a mini band, you're gonna place that around your feet, and we're gonna do 10 of these. So press, and here's where you're gonna exhale. As you exhale, you make sure that lower back is in the ground. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so there's no movement through the spine and through the hips. Really recruiting those muscles deep within your core.